Artificial intelligence has become widespread on the internet, opening doors to countless opportunities.
Artificial intelligence booming worldwide.
Chat GPT has been hailed as a game changer.
AI is being used for scripting, for shooting.
Many people have already started to benefit from it, and it's time for you to make a place on that list. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can make an AI automated video, which is currently getting massive growth on Shorts and Reels. The video I am talking about is this.
6 things you should never tell people. Number 1, don't tell people your plans. They will sabotage you. Number 2, don't tell people your weakness. They will use them against you.
The reel you just saw was from the Success Mind Mantra page on Instagram. With only 101 posts, he managed to achieve 686,000 followers, which is truly surprising. His most viewed reels got over 50 million views. And his other post also got millions of views. And if you think that this guy got lucky, that's not the case. I have seen lots of other accounts that are doing the same thing and getting growth in really little time. See this channel's virtual sitback. This channel got 716,000 subscribers with just 98 shorts. After looking into it a little further, I found that this channel is making $40,000 per month. And what they are all doing is just posting AI-generated videos that you can create by giving just 10 minutes of your day. And I will teach you how without making you spend a single penny. So stick to the video until the end. All I ask of you is to subscribe and like this video, and that's all. So moving on to how we can make animated videos with AI, we are going to follow 4 steps and a bonus. And don't miss the bonus part. It's the most important part of this video if you want to make passive income. First, we are going to generate an image, or you can say, an avatar, that we will animate. Second, we are going to find the script that the avatar is going to say in the video. The script can be anything, like motivational quotes, facts, or anything else you want. Next, we are going to convert our text to voice using AI. And then we will finally combine all these things and animate our videos. And the bonus part is that I am going to share with you a secret about how you can stand out from the competition and start making passive income. So stick to the video. So moving to our first step, generating images. There are lots of AI image generators, but I prefer Lexica. The main reason is that it's free and it generates really great images. So now describe what type of image you want. So here I write Chinese monk with a beard, and click on generate. Here we have some amazing images, but this is not the front face, so I added the front face in the search box. Here is the result. I really like the first one, so I downloaded it by simply clicking it here. So we have the image that is going to be animated. So we are moving on to the second step of finding the script. You have to decide what your video is about. I am going to create something for someone who is demotivated and needs some motivation. And for that, I am going to find some motivational quotes. You can use Google to find your script, but I am going to use Chat GPT. Here I search gives me some motivational quotes. Here, we have many options. Choose the one you like the most. I really like this one. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Now we need to convert our text to voice, and for that, we need to search 11 Labs. 11 Labs have really great AI voices. And here we are going to paste our script, which converts into voices.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
If you think the voice is fast, you can add a comma between the words, and now it's
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
perfect. Now we have the avatar and the voice script. Next, we want our avatar to be reading our text, and for that, we go to our 4th step, which is animating our avatar. Search Studio DID in your browser and open this website. I have tried lots of other platforms for animating avatar, and I found this the best. But there is only one problem, it's paid. But don't worry, I am going to share with you a trick on how you can use it for free. Studio DID give 20 credits per account, and with that, you can create up to 10 videos if you want more. The first way is to create multiple accounts, but I am sure you don't like the idea of creating multiple IDs. Don't worry, you don't have to do that. We can just create a fake temporary email. Here's how: just go to tempmail.com. Here, it gives you a fake email. So now copy the email it gives and paste it into the Studio DID sign-up page. Add the password, and then it will send a confirmation code to the given email. So open the temp mail tab again here and refresh it. We got our mail. Simply open it and verify your email. Now we were redirected to Studio DID. Here we got 20 credits. And you can apply this again and again to create multiple IDs and animate literally unlimited videos. Now what we have to do is simply click on create the video, then add your avatar. Now go to the audio section and upload your voice, which you generated in 11 Labs. Now click on Generate. It takes some time. Here is our animated video. Just download it by clicking here. Now for the final step, we need to edit our videos, and for that, you can use any editing software. I am going to use Premiere Pro, and if you don't have Premiere Pro, you can use DaVinci Resolve is free, and if you are using a mobile device, you can use KineMaster. So now I am going to go to Premiere Pro and create a dimension for Instagram Reels that is 1080 into 1920 pixels. You can use this for YouTube Shorts as well. Now I am going to add the subtitle and edit a little bit. After that, just export the video, and now we are ready to make passive income. Now upload this video on Instagram or YouTube. And here is the secret bonus I was talking about. I have seen lots of people using AI videos to create motivational quotes. You can do something different, like use this for spitting facts or for spitting news. Do something that others are not doing. In this way, you have a higher chance of success. Remember one thing, making money online takes some time, so be patient and improve your content. And here is the final video we created. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.